Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get kills in Dark War Survival. In Dark War Survival, earning your first kills as a beginner resolves around timing, positioning, and alliance involvement. One of the earliest and most reliable ways to secure kills is by joining an alliance, which becomes available as you progress your watchtower. Alliances grant access to wars and coordinated battles where combat against other players is more frequent and rewarding. Outside of alliance conflicts, you can also hunt for kills directly on the world map by scouting cities that do not belong to your alliance. Before attacking, always check if the target is protected by a shield, as shielded cities cannot be engaged. When an unshielded target is found, use the scout feature to assess their defenses, then launch an attack if the matchup is favorable. By combining alliance warfare with smart world map attacks, beginners can steadily build their kill count while learning the fundamentals of PvP combat. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.